Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, please watch the video till end because today's video is creative and somehow I am sharing unique pattern ideas. As you could see that you are not getting to know about what type of these patterns are. Actually, you have heard it right. Friends, these are multi-dimensional, multi ideas based patterns. All of these are art of hand embroidery by using different type of multicolor colorful threads and different type of patternized ideas. At the same time, you can get creative ideas at how you can design your plain color fabric, specifically black color fabric, with the art of multicolor colorful threads. So guys, all you are seeing are borders. All of them are hand embroidery borders. They are made by using, or you can say these are hand embroidery corners. That would be a more specific, more closer to the reality, and more good name for these patterns. You can make these patterns, these side patterns, onto your shirt fronts, onto your chalk corners, onto your dupatta, pallu, onto your shawls, onto your staller corners. Even you can make these embroidery corners onto the central panel of your shirt as well. Even you can make these very beautiful central panels onto the back motif of your shirt. All of these motifs, central motifs, could be used as a back motif of your shirts, for back neck embroidery ideas, for designing your blouses. You can also create very beautiful and elegant sari pallus as well with these embroidery corners, and much more creativities with these embroidery corners as well. So do try these patterns as use as per your own choice and level of interest, and do comment below that which type of which design, which pattern you used, and why that enhanced your dress beauty, and why that attracted you and motivated you to try this pattern onto your dress as an embroidery corner. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Wait for the new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.